Getting sick. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another day, another excited videos of me putting makeup on my face. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And I would love to have you on my channel and come back again. Today I want to do a grungy look with a very soft lips. I just want to focus more on the eye than anything else. The face, everything is good too, but then I want to focus just mainly on the eye. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, then don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Bye. So I like to start with my eye. I like to use my Nars, my smudge proof eyeshadow base by Nars, and I just like to prep my eye first. I like to finish my eye, then I'll go for the face because I don't know, I like doing my eye first. What can I say? So I'm just putting my eye, and I already did my brow because it took me forever just to do my brow. Okay. This time, I kind of make my brow like kind of feather. No, not like perfect, but just want to go for it. I want more a natural eyebrow. I'm going to use eyeshadow right here as a transition color. Oh my goodness, look at that pigmentation right there. Okay. For this eyeshadow, I'm dragging the eyeshadow towards my nose and my brow. I think I want to go for this shadow right here. This color I'm going to put in my outer corner right here. I know for sure that my eye doesn't have a lot of space to work with these type of eye look, but I still want to do it because I want to get out of my comfort zone and do something. So I'm gonna connect these two together where I usually do my cut crease here. So I'm just gonna leave it a little space in here. I'm going back with this one. I'm just going to blend that out. I'm dabbing to the eyeshadow, the first eyeshadow that I used, a little bit more. Just don't do it too much. Just a little bit of dab, and you'll be good. Same thing on this side. Going to use a fluffy brush, okay, and then I'm going to dab into this color right here. Not too much. Take out the excess. I'm just going to blend the crease right here. I'm going to blend this all together. Something on the other eye. Going to blend that all together. Oh, the fun part is I'm going to use this color. I'm just gonna go with my finger. Okay, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Like the camera, it doesn't even show how it looks on my eye. Okay, for some reason it just don't. I'm going to use a smaller brush to go into the crease to make my eyeshadow more intense. Then I'm going back with this eyeshadow over here. Using the same brush that I used earlier. Just going to blend everything. And I'm going to use one of the Morphe metallic eyeshadow and the color Daze. Okay. I'm going to put that in the center of my eye, just using my finger. It's really pretty. Okay. Just gonna use it in the tap into the middle. Just like slightly tap it. A little bit more sparkle to it. I'm going to do any wing liner. This eyeliner is really nice because it's matte and it's very black. So we are moving to the face. I just recently purchased this one. FARSÁLI Skintune Blur. Like, so beautiful. Look at that. A lot of my port is in my T-zone, so this is where I need it the most. For a very high-end and full coverage foundation, I'll be using the YSL All Hours foundation in the color Sand, W Sand, I think. This foundation does not play around. So if you don't like full coverage, you will not like this. And for my new favorite concealer in 2019, I'm pretty sure will be the JOUER Essential Highlight Liquid Concealer. Okay. Like, when I first tried this, I'm like, oh my god, I love this better than the Tarte shade one. Better than the Tarte shade. I'm not even kidding. You try it and then you let me know. Just look at that. Who wouldn't like this? I don't know, but I do. I really do. It just makes my face look flawless. When I say flawless, it really does. Okay. I'm going to contour my nose using, I have a foundation of this, but I just don't really use it. It's not full coverage. I'm going to use, this is the simple one, really. Like, what's the point? Oh my god. But anyway, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the color Earth. Very dark. I'm okay with that. I don't mind. Contour my cheek. This color is very dark, so. Just give me a minute just to blend my life or get my life together. That's all with the brush, and now I'm gonna go back with my beauty blender, and I'm just gonna blend the line away. Then for highlight, I'm gonna use my one and only favorite one by Iconic London. better wear your sunglasses before you look at this. Come on. Isn't it beautiful? Oh my god, so beautiful. Look at this. I cannot breathe. Hardly breathe. Look how beautiful that is. That is so beautiful. I come back to Mercier because can't find the other one. Okay. And trust me, even after you put powder on top of the highlight, brush the powder away, you can still see the highlight peeking through. I know I look like a ghost, but a pretty ghost, okay? Alright, and then we're going back with the same eyeshadow that when we first started, okay? We're going to use this color here. With the same brush, I'm gonna squeeze or pinch it. Like pinch it a little bit, and then I'm gonna put this under my eye. And for this look, I'm gonna kind of like pull it out a little bit more, like that. No, right now I look like I haven't slept for years because of the eyeshadow that I put under my eye. I'm going to dab into this eyeshadow right here. I'm dragging this eyeshadow out towards here a little bit more. After I put that second color, I'm going back into this color right here. I'm going back to this color here. And I'm going to put that close to my waterline. Going back into this eyeshadow right here. I'm just going to blend those three colors together. Okay. So now I'm going to use a brush that doesn't have anything on it, and I'm just going to blend the edges here out so it don't look so harsh. Going to dust away my baking. To contour my nose with powder, I'm going to mix the Smashbox, the Cali contour. I'm going to mix these two. I have to contour every single time I put on makeup because I feel naked without contouring my nose, like for real. Not even joking. I do feel really naked without my contour, especially on my nose. I'm going to dip into this color right here and put that under my eye, just for brightening up even more. And then for bronzing, same thing. Into brown. Okay, now I'm going to down to this. For highlight, I will be using the Model's Own Scope and Glow highlighter powder and the color Golden Sand. One swipe. Okay, that's it. And you put it on top of that. That's what you get. This highlight is intense, so you be careful. The lips, since I just want to focus more on the eye, I'm going to use the Colourpop liquid lipstick. And I'm not going to use just this one color. I'm going to use something else on top of it too. I'm going to use this color on top of that. I'm going to put on my lashes and I'll be right back. We're almost done. I want to put the Diamond Milk by Fenty Beauty. I want to put that on top of my lip. Just watch. There.